Today I'm going to show you how to sharpen and fix blurry photos in Adobe Photoshop. First, make a copy of your photo by pressing Ctrl J. Then right-click and group from layers. Let's name it Sharpen Blurry. Change the blending mode of this group from normal to overlay. Now, select the layer below. Press Ctrl J to make one more copy. Then right-click and convert it to Smart Object. Press Ctrl I to invert. And change the blending mode from normal to vivid light. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. I'll increase the radius to 27 pixels. Click OK once you're satisfied. Now, select the group layer. Press Ctrl, Shift, Alt, and E to copy and merge all layers. We'll name it Reduce Noise. Then right-click and convert it to Smart Object. Now, go to Filter. And choose the Camera Raw filter. Open the Detail tab. Make the noise reduction 100. The detail 40. The contrast 40. And the color noise reduction 30. Then hit OK. I'll decrease the opacity to 60%. And that's it. Thanks for watching.